Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Toyota Sienna 2013, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the rear brake pads. So let's get started. Alright, so let's take off the old sliders. There we go, the first one, the second one, the third one right here, the third one, the fourth one. There we go. Now let's put the new ones. So here we have the first one. Here we go. And the upper one. Just like this. The second one. The third one. We have the fourth one. We have all four of them. So now we're gonna install the wear witness. So this is an example. This is the old one, as you see. So here is the piston caliper, and here, as you see, this is the wear witness. This is what makes sound once the brake pad is wear off. So you want to make sure to install it. There you go. We're gonna do the same thing in the other end. There you go. So this one will go in the inner side. There we go. There we go. Have the first one. So now we're gonna put the external. We're good. We're all set. Alright, so now we're gonna put back the caliper. First of all, we gotta put the piston all the way back. We're gonna use the C-press. There we go. It's all the way back. And now put it back. Just like this. Alright, but first of all, let's take this off so we can lubricate it. It needs lubrication. Take this one, the first one right here, and the second one. There we go. So let's take our Brembo lubricant. Alright, let's get the second one. There we go. So let's put it back where it belongs. And then the upper one. There we go. So now let's put back the caliper. We have the first bolt, and then here the second one. So now I'm gonna tight. This is a number 14 wrench. Enough. That's enough. Alright guys, and this is how you easily change the rear brake pads in a Toyota Sienna 2013. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.